Imagine you are in a forest. Early in the morning, you can hear the wind rustling the leaves, the birds chirping, and then, slowly, the forest transforms into an orchestra. But how does nature make music? Let's dive in. Have you ever noticed how rain hitting different surfaces creates a symphony of sounds? On a tin roof, it's a fast-paced drumming. On the leaves, it's a gentle rustle. Now, imagine we could translate these sounds into notes on a musical scale. What would the music of nature sound like? The whispering wind, the rustling leaves, the rushing water. Could they all be parts of a grand symphony? What if we told you that scientists have already begun this journey, translating the sounds of nature into melodies? Intrigued? Let's explore this further in the next